Mentri Rangbah konrat ke Sangma ula Wanrah eka Mang Pisa nagbenta ke senam hajar arpusau hadu arpusan kabakot syaka arpusan hajar sanpu arklur tengka kabalakiu arsha na Mang Pisa haki senam hajar khatpra hadu khat kendai kabalakot khat hajar shi spa san pendai klur tengka kesorkar India kalamang shi hajar kendai spa prapuhnyo klur tengka nagbenta senam hajar arpusau hadu arpusan kabalakiu jan arsha nakaba Khuborjylla kalabu eka thong shi hajar lai klur tengka nagabenta usnam hajar arpulai hadu arpusau. Mentri Rangbah ula Khubor kular ban siu tikna yaki tulop jong kinong tre sorkar klem kanu ke jing hau ni usnam. Baro kinong tre sorkar ki badon hadu sanpu hajar praspa arpu khandai ngut kimdei bandon kanu ke jing artatin ban yo yaki tulop jongki. Kumjuru ula Khubor ban siu tikna yaki pension tulop bam temen jong kinong tray bala syong thaj bat ya baro kinong tray asha bat ki anggan wadi.
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your permission, I rise to present the budget for the financial year 2024-2025. Sir, today I stand before you with a sense of confidence and optimism to present the annual budget for 2024-25. 1 year ago, the citizens of Meghalaya reaffirmed their trust in the MDA government. This renewed and stronger mandate fuels our commitment to further prosperity and progress. Sir, I would like to begin by highlighting the key achievements of the government over the last 6 years. Government expenditure has more than doubled from 12,159 crores in 2018-19 to 25,052 crores in the current financial year. This was achieved through better performance on centrally sponsored schemes, attracting investments through externally aided projects, improving states' own resources and revenues, and careful management of state finances. In program after program, we have been able to leverage additional funding based on our excellent performance and timely completion of projects. Today, Meghalaya is one of the few states that gets bonus installments under schemes like Jal Jeevan Mission and National Health Mission. Agencies like IFAD and World Bank are providing additional allocations to expand our ongoing projects in agriculture and road infrastructure. Under the special assistance to states for capital investment, our allocation have been increasing exponentially. For 2023-24, the budget estimates for the scheme were 1,003 crores. I am pleased to inform this August House that we have already got approvals for 1,987 crores, close to double the budgeted amount. We have now completely streamlined the payment of salaries, pensions, and other benefits to 52,829 government employees, 35,403 pensioners, more than 21,000 personnel drawing grant-in-aid salaries, 24,039 SSA and other teachers, 28,450 wage employees, 7,051 ASHA workers, and 12,324 Anganwadi workers and helpers. The increased government expenditure has enabled us to complete and initiate several capital projects in the sectors of roads and bridges, water supply, power, sports, information technology, tourism, and urban development. Social infrastructure like schools and hospitals are being comprehensively renovated and upgraded. Administrative infrastructures like block offices and police stations are being renovated and reconstructed for the first time at scale. Development is reaching every village in all districts and subdivisions over the next 4 years. These complexes are already under construction in Jowai and Peninsula. The Tura Integrated Administrative Complex at a cost of 100 crores will be started in 2024-25. New office buildings are being constructed at 46 blocks at a cost of 135 crores, and most of these buildings will be completed in the next financial year. Administrative buildings at 9 new blocks will be taken up in 2024-25. I am allocating an amount of 30 crores for improving block infrastructure. Infrastructure at police stations and other police buildings are also being upgraded at scale for the first time. I am certain that all these investments will motivate our government employees to work with higher commitment and improve citizen service delivery. Caring and empowering state. Sir, economic growth and prosperity can only be meaningful when the most vulnerable sections of society are respected and supported. One of the first tasks of the MDA government had undertaken 6 years ago was the streamlining of pensions for senior citizens, single mothers, and differently abled persons. The CM Care program was launched in 2022 by enhancing the benefits provided to 66,000 senior citizens, 36,000 single mothers, and 14,000 differently abled persons. For 2024-2025, I'm allocating an amount of 100 crores for this important program. Community infrastructure and engagement and well-being. So different types of infrastructures are needed at the community level for promoting greater citizen engagement and well-being. There are genuine demands for community halls, play fields, and recreational spaces which are being fulfilled through different government programs. Under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, an amount of 51 crores was spent in the last 2 years to build various community infrastructures. I'm allocating an amount of 40 crores for 2024-2025 for this program. Infrastructures like gyms, football grounds, cinemas, and cultural spaces that have a revenue potential can be taken up under CM Elevate with government subsidy of 35%. Community halls are being taken up in 450 remote villages under the Meghalaya project with an estimated cost of 108 crores. In the next 4 years, the government will build auditoria in all the districts. Budget estimates 2024-25. Sir, 2024-25, I have estimated the total receipts at 27,072 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 23,000 crores, 23,515 crores, and capital receipts at 3,557 crores. Excluding borrowings of 3,527 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 23,545 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated total expenditure at 27,072 crores, of which revenue expenditure is estimated at 19,653 crores and capital expenditure at 7,419 crores. Excluding repayment loans of 1,498 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 25,574 crores. Interest payments for 2024-25 are estimated at 1,236 crores and pension payments at 1,865 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget for 2024-25 with a fiscal deficit of 2,029 crores, which is about 3.83% of the GSDP. Sir, I would like all members of this august House and citizens to remember this budget as Mission 10, an action plan for building a $10 billion economy through leveraging 10 opportunities and providing 10 guarantees. The accomplishment of Mission 10 in 2028 will coincide with 10 years of the MDA government. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these words, I now commend the budget to this august House. Kublai, Mithila, and Jai Hind.